Let's talk open houses. Whether you are a seller who's going to have an agent host an open or a buyer who's going to look at houses, there are certain etiquette to follow. First, for sellers, clean and declutter. Your home should be in its best light, showcasing its features without personal distractions. Remove personal items. This isn't just about decluttering, it's also about privacy. Keep your personal photos and your documents tucked away, and talk to your real estate agent about other items that you should safeguard. Leave the premise. Allow buyers to visualize themselves in the space without feeling watched or rushed. Ensure your agent is present. Your agent will answer questions, provide insights, and represent your best interests. Now for the buyers. Be punctual. Respect the stated open house hours. If you're running late or early, a quick call to the agent is just courteous. Sign in. Many agents require this for security reasons and for follow-up. It's a small ask in return for an open invitation. Ask before you take photos or videos. Some sellers may not be comfortable with their home being photographed by visitors. Be respectful with feedback. If you have criticisms, share them with your own agent or jot them down for later, but avoid negative comments while you're still in the property. And lastly, for both parties, communication is key. Sellers, be clear about what areas are off limits. Buyers, if in doubt about anything, just ask. An open house can be an exciting step towards finding a home. Approach it with respect and understanding, ensuring a positive experience for everyone involved.